In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the sale label text on products within Shopify. This is a helpful customization that can better reflect the tone and branding of your online store, making sure that those important sale notifications really pop for your customers. So let's dive in and take this step by step. First, you want to go into your Shopify store's admin panel. This is essentially your main dashboard where you manage every aspect of your store operations. It's always a good idea to have a quick look around to get familiar with the layout because that's where most of your changes and updates will start. Next, you're going to click on the Online Store option on the left-hand menu. This is where you can make adjustments to how your store appears online, everything from the design to specific features, and that includes changing the text labels. After selecting the Online Store, look for the Themes option, which is usually located under the Online Store tab. This is crucial because your theme controls the look and feel of your entire site. Clicking Themes will open up a page displaying the current theme you're using. Now, find the Edit Default Theme Content option. Here, you can customize various aspects of your site's appearance, including the language and text that your customers see. Click this option to proceed to the next step. At this point, a search bar will appear at the top of the theme editor. Click on this search bar because it will enable you to find specific text strings you want to change. It's a feature that makes editing large volumes of text faster and easier. In the search bar, type in sale. This will filter out the text strings related to sales across the site, showing you every instance where sale is used. It might bring up several results depending on how extensively sale is utilized across your theme. Then, click on Sale. This specific text string might resemble something like a label or tag that displays over your products when they're on sale. Once you've clicked it, you'll be able to modify that text to better suit your branding needs. Perhaps you want to change it to discount or limited offer or something more creative and aligned with your store's personality. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the sale label text on your Shopify products. Remember, having the right words can make a big difference in how your sales promotion resonates with your audience. Feel free to explore other customizations within your theme to further enhance your store's appearance. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.